You know that also very well. Since the ancient age, human beings are using cosmetics, okay, to improve their external appearance, to improve chances of social success, and to highlight their self-esteem. The word cosmetic was derived from the Greek word cosmotikos, okay, cosmos, K-O-S-M, cosmotikos, Tikos, which means something having the power, arrange, skill in decorating. Okay, so human beings are using products derived from plants, animals, minerals, and other organic products as cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are the products which contain various cosmetics as a base in permissible limit and one or more herbal ingredients having defined cosmetic benefits. The demand for herbal cosmetics increasing at faster rate as they contain nature friendly ingredients and lack of side effects. So currently worldwide turnover of herbal industry is more than US dollar, that is $10 billion, and which is expanding at a rate of 3 to 4% annually. So herbs do not provide instant cure, but they help the body to tune with the natures. So some researchers also, that is members, or you can say that Raymond Reed, that is founder member of US Society of Cosmetic Chemists, coined this term cosmeticals in 1961. And this term further, that is tailored by Dr. Albert Kingman in the year 1984, which means substances having therapeutic and cosmetic applications. So cosmetical is a combination of two words, cosmetic and pharmaceuticals, which are intended to enhance health and beauty of human body. Okay, so this is what in general intro of cosmetics. Okay, what meant by cosmetic, how this term is derived. Okay, so as per the Consumer Product Safety Regulation in 1989, a cosmetic product is defined as any substance or preparations intended for external applications of the human body, either epidermis, hair system, nails, leaves, external genital organs, or to the teeth or buccal mucosa, wholly or mainly for the purpose of cleaning, perfuming, or protecting them, or keeping them in good condition, or changing their appearance, or combating body odor, except where such activities are for the purpose of treating or preventing disease. So as per our DSA Act 1940 of India, cosmetic is defined as any article intended to be rubbed, pour, spring or spread on or introduced into or applied to any part of the human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance, and include any article intended intended for use as a components of cosmetics. So herbal cosmetics are defined as the beauty products which contain herbal ingredients and have skin healing, smoothing, appearance enhancing and conditioning properties. Some advantages of herbal cosmetics over synthetic one are these are definitely made from natural products, so free from all the harmful synthetic chemicals. Okay, although these are safe to utilize as proved and tested by dermatologists, herbal cosmetics are compatible with all types of skin as they contain natural ingredients and avoid skin degradation. Wide varieties of herbal cosmetics are now available. They are available at very cheap, or you can see that affordable prices. These are
Sir,
tested in laboratory. Sorry. Yes.
slide is not changing.
Oh, okay. Okay. This is just okay. We'll continue. Herbal cosmetics have long history of use and better. So definition and all that part or regulation or intro and some advantages of herbal cosmetics. So these are contains the intro types of according to site of application. Herbal cosmetics for skin, hair dentrifies, hair cosmetics for nail care products, herbal cosmetics for eye products, guidelines for using herb, evaluation of finished products, conclusion and references. Okay, one more thing, that is before going to this slide, in last lecture we already discussed, we have had already discussed regarding what where herbs are safe. Okay, no doubt. Here, herbs are the sources of some potent pharmaceutical medications, so extremely useful and potentially fatal. Herbal products are safe because they are natural and can be harmful if consumed improperly or in excessive amount, or we use along with the other medicaments, as we discussed in last previous lecture. Okay, so according to DSECT earlier, that is recently I that is told you that the definition, the proper definition of this, according to DC Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, any article intended to be rubbed, poured, spring or sprayed on or introduced to a applied to any part of human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use as a component of cosmetics. So these are types according to the site of application: skin, hair, dentifrice, nail, and eyes. So herbs, cosmetics for skin, particularly here, cleanse, nourish, and moisture here. These are three types principally it is used, essential steps. These are mainly used for the preparation of cosmetics for skin. Whatever may be the type of skin, these three steps are external care of the skin to protect from the constant effect of environment, stress, and skin natural process of cell degradation decay. Therefore, in order to help the skin look young and radiant, exploration of to remove the dead skin cells, epidermal stimulation for new cell growth, antioxidant properties for cellular regeneration and repair, improper capillary blood flow, and penetrating moisture and nutrients to replenish all layers of skin. So herbal cosmetics for various types of skin, as we know that for dry skin, example of herbs are Rubia cardifolia, okay, Triphala, Tulsi, Glycyrrhiza glabra in some in sesame oils. Okay, fruit face mask, that is banana or avocado pulps. For sensitive skin, here example of herbs, that is Ushiro, Curcuma longa, Triphala, Azaratka indica, okay, neem in coconut oil, and fruit face mask, that is banana or pineapple pulp. For oily skin, example of herbs or those are which the preparation of cosmetics for particularly oily skin. These are mainly tulsi, then jatifata, then nimba, terminalia, arjuna, triphala, curcumina, then mustaka in mustard oil, milk, sour milk, cream, buttermilk are used as a gentle, that is natural cleanser. Fruit face mask, that is strawberry or papaya pulp. Here are types of herbal creams, cold creams. It is emulsion in which the fat predominates, but the cooling effect produced when it is applied to the skin is due to skin evaporation of the water content. Here formula, that is for example, here almond oil, white wax, borax water, and rose water here. Next, that is vanishing cream. Vanishing cream are also called that is foundation cream because they disappears when rubbed into skin. Formula mainly contains stearic acid, borax crystals, then sodium carbonate, water, and rose oil. Then cleansing cream. Cleansing cream, a satisfactory cleansing cream is water in oil emulsion that melts at temperature of body and spreads readily over the skin. Formula, that is chamomile cleansing creams here, chamomile flower, distilled water, lemon juice, and sodium benzoate. These are different parts of cleansing cream. Then face lotion. Here, these are also called as bleaching lotion. Actually, mask rather than lighten the color of skin, like the whitening cream. Formula, that is alum, zinc sulfate, glycerin, tincture of benzoin, essence of rose. These are different parts. Then saving